Right then folks, have a little look round. Considering how small the place is, it's not a bad turnout. Can't believe I've won with these little onions. So it's not necessarily how big they are. It's about uniformity and skin condition. So there you go. It's a shock. I didn't put anything in this one. All the shallots. All the beans. Some nice potatoes and shallots of that. No peas either. Thought I might do better with my cabbage, but I got beaten by a good one there. So I got second with that. And my mate beat me with his carrots. He got first and second and I got third. There's not a lot in it. Oh, anyway, there you go. Cucumbers. Only me entered the league, so obviously got a first place. A few lovely flowers, dahlias. Little marrows. Cherry tomatoes. So this has got best in show. Nice to get a little second with me, little trusty yellows. First place with the rude carrot. Second with the garlic. Ones that won were a lot bigger than mine. They're really good though.
Not as uniform as
some lad I used to go to school with. There's my chilli. All the chillies fell off when I was driving it up. Managed to get a third. But you can't beat these. What these are like basket of fire. Oh, look at a few flowers. Sweet peas. Nice 3 sunflowers there. Some lovely flowers there. Considering, like I said, it's just a little tiny village show. It's not even 2,000 people live in our village. Good old turnout, really. No, I think these are cactus dahlias. So they'll show us flowers this year. Must have been a good year for flowers. Right, the cactus. Oh my dear, look at that. I won. My cactus won. Way. Chuffed with that. Who'd have believed it? Right, we're going to the local section. This is for people who live within, I think, a mile of where we live. There we go. That's my tray. Got the first place with that, which is good. A few more pot plants and stuff like that. There's loads of baking and stuff, but I won't bore you with that. But anyway folks, that's just a little look around our local show. Quite a good turnout really, considering there hasn't been one for a few years. See you later.